Yo, what's up? Welcome to another how to grind video. I just wanted to make a quick one today, giving you a super great tip that will help your improvement exponentially. If it's something that you're not doing already, you need to start doing it, because everyone at some point, everyone who wants to become a better MC at some point has to do this in order to really improve and reach that next level. And it's something that really helped me at the beginning, because I remember what happened was, how I started spitting bars was, I saw a friend spitting bars at school on the playground, and he spat a 16 bar, and there was a grind beat in the background. I was loving it, I was vibing, so I jumped in, spat a quick 4-bar freestyle. Ever since then, we started spitting bars more regularly together, started vibing. And what happened was, when we started spitting bars more regularly together, meeting up and actually spitting bars, was he started pointing out certain weak points in my game, certain parts that I lacked with, whether it was my flow or my bars, right? Started pointing out those weak points, and I was able to see them now, right? He could see the weak points in my game that I couldn't see and point them out to me, which was a big help, because now I knew what to work on. Now I knew what to go back home and improve on, thanks to his feedback and his advice, and I was able to do the same for him, right? And that really helped us improve more and more, because now we could see each other's weak points, you know, because the other guy could see it and give the feedback, give the point out. Another thing that it really helped with is, let's say we wanted to make a track together, just a mess about track, and you'd say, you write a 16 bar, I write a 16 bar, we'll do a quick back to back, right? That night when I went home, I couldn't procrastinate and say, oh no, I won't write it, I'll just write bars tomorrow, I'll write bars after I play a quick game of FIFA or whatever. Because we had like a deadline, we wanted to meet back like the next day and have both 16 bars ready. So that gave me an urgency to not procrastinate but write, so get it done. So something like that, find someone to spit bars with regularly, right? Because this is a big help. This is something that changed the game for me, something that helped me improve a lot quicker than I would have if I was just on my own trying to figure out my weak points. So I had some feedback, and that helped me improve a lot quicker. So do that. So like I said, just a quick short video. I hope that helped you, and if it did, then share it to a mate who's trying to improve as an MC and they feel stuck, right? This right here will help you, you know, get the creative juices going again, get improving again, and you won't be stuck anymore. But anyway, that's it for the video. If you're subscribed, a big thank you for that. I appreciate that. If you're not, then make sure to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.